Hey Leia users, today we're going to talk about adding a section to our web page. So we're in the mobile editor. We're going to click on the toolbox in the bottom right corner. That's going to bring up our toolbox, and we're going to scroll down until we see add something. Now you're going to have an upgrade, either Leia Pro or Leia Business, to have access to this feature. Right there in the center of my screen where it says add something, we're going to click on that, and then we're going to click on section. So then this is my landscaping page. So let's do a gardening section. So then it explains here how you're going to do rows with columns. So we need to choose how many columns per row. Let's say we want 3 columns per row. Done. And then we got to figure out how many numbers of rows we want. So let's do 2. And then you have the option to choose an image or a color background. Click next. So for each column in the row, we have to choose what we want inside the column. And then, so let's say we want a header and a little description and an image. And then we can come out down here and let's say, oh wait, I kind of want the header and then the image and then the description and a paragraph. You can drag and slide those around however you like. Then we're going to create the section. Now we need to figure out where we want to put it. So you can see there's plus signs in between all of our existing sections. So we just figure out where we want to put it. So let's put it right under there underneath the header. We're going to click that plus sign there, and it's created. So as you can see, we've got our title of the section, which is gardening, and then we decided we wanted a title, an image, and a paragraph. So we have all of those, and since we're in mobile, they're going to stack. But if we take a look at the desktop view, you'll see that we will in fact have 3 rows of 2 columns. So or 2 rows of 3 columns, excuse me. So yeah, so we're going to go back to the mobile view, and then again, so you can edit all these titles, because you're going to want to do different things for each one. We'll say title 1, etc., etc. And if you decide you want to add more or you want to remove some, you can go down here to your toolbar, and let's say we got 1 too many, so we're going to delete that last one, and it's going to spit out it with just 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you decide you don't like the section, you can also delete it. So we can click on the trash can and say, oh, we decided we didn't like that section, we'll get rid of it. Alrighty, and it's gone. Excellent. All right, well, thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos on how to do all sorts of other fun stuff on the editor. And if you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to customer service at heyleia.com/contact.